Welcome students. Today we will see how to convert degree measure into radian measure and radian measure into degree measure. In our previous lecture we have derived one of the formula that pi radians is equal to 180 degree. Pi radians is equal to 180 degree. Now this is the basic formula to convert the angle degree into radians and radians into degree. Now we will simplify this. Now divide this equation throughout by 180 degree. If I divide throughout by 180 degree, then I will got here pi divided by 180 and here 180 divided by 180, that is 1. Means 1 degree is equivalent to pi divided by 180 radians. Okay. Now if I divide this equation by pi, now in the second step I am dividing this equation throughout by pi, then I will get here 1 radian. Pi will get cancelled and here to the right hand side 180 divided by pi. What this equation shows? This equation shows that 1 degree is equivalent to pi divided by 180 radians. And this shows that 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degree. Okay. This is our basic formula. Pi radians is equal to 180 degree. If I divide this equation throughout by 180, I will get pi divided by 180 radians equal to 1 degree. And if I divide this equation by pi throughout, then I will get 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degree. Okay. Now we will use this formula to convert angles degree into radians and radians into degree. Now let's see the problem. Convert the degree measure into the radian measure. Means we have to convert degree angle into radian angle. Let's see the first problem. Here 70 degree. We have to convert this 70 degree into radians. Now we know that 1 is in the multiplication of any number. Therefore I can write this 1 into 70. Okay. And what is this? This is nothing but 70 times 1 degree. This is nothing but 70 times 1 degree. And what is the value of 1 degree? Just we have derived 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180 radians. We will use this formula. 1 degree is equivalent to pi divided by 180 radians. Okay. Now keep the value of 1 degree, that is pi divided by 180 radians. Okay. Simplify this 0 will get cancelled and after simplification this will be 7 pi by 18 radians. Means 70 degree is equivalent to 7 pi by 18 radians. Let's see the next. Now we will convert this 85 degree. Now if 85 degree is given, again you write down 1 into 85. Means 85 times 1 degree. Now keep the value of 1 degree. Value of 1 degree is pi divided by 180. And that is radians. And simplify this. After simplification, this will be 17 pi divided by 36 radians. In this way, you write down 1 in the multiplication of that angle and write down the value of 1 degree, that is pi divided by 180, and angle will be get converted into radians. Okay. Let's see one more example. Suppose 250 degrees is given and we have to convert this into radians. Then again write down this 250 into 1 degree. Okay. Now keep the value of 1 degree, that is pi divided by 180 radians. Okay. This 0 will get cancelled. Simplify this and after simplification this will be 25 divided by 18 pi radians. Okay. Is it simple? If you know the formula 1 degree is equivalent to pi divided by 180 radians, then it is very simple to convert degree angle into radians. Let's see one more example. Now here all the angles are positive, here angle is negative. Don't worry, you keep that minus sign as it is and write down this is 132 into 1. Okay, again keep minus sign as it is. This is 132 times 1 degree. Keep the value of 1 degree, that is pi upon 180 radians. Now simplify this, and after simplification, this is nothing but 11 pi divided by 15 radians. Means what we are doing here? We are keeping minus sign as it is. Therefore, don't worry about whether the angle is positive or negative. If angle is negative, you keep minus sign as it is and do the calculation as we have done in the previous examples. Okay? Let's see the next problem. Suppose angle is given here 65 degree 30 minute. Suppose angle is given 65 degree 30 minute. Okay. Then you write down this as 65 degree plus 30 minute. 65 degree plus 30 minute. And you know that 1 degree means 60 minute. 1 degree means 60 minute. Then what will be 1 minute then? Then 1 minute will be 1 divided by 60 degree. Okay. Now again you write down this 65 degree as it is, and this 30 can be written as 30 into 1 times minute. Okay. 30 minute can be written as 30 into 1 minute. Okay. Now keep the value of 1 minute. Now what is the value of 1 minute? That is 1 upon 60 degree. Means we are converting here angle in minute, that is in degree. Means here we are converting minute angle into degree angle. Okay. Now simplify this. What is this? This is 65 plus this 0 will get cancelled and this will be 3 by 6 means half degree. 30 minute is nothing but half degree. You know that from the formula you can direct write down also. 1 degree means 60 minute. Then what? Half degree means what? That will be nothing but 30 minute. Directly from the formula you can convert also. Instead of doing these steps, from direct formula, if 1 degree is equivalent to 60 minute, then half degree is 30 minute. Okay. Directly from formula you can write this, or you can do these steps. Now this is what? This is 65 plus half. Combine this, and after taking LCM, this will be 131 divided by 2 degree. Now again, as we have done the calculation in previous example, this 131 divided by 2 means 131 divided by 2 into 1 degree. Again you keep the value of 1 degree because we have to convert the angles into radians. Therefore keep the value of 1 degree. 1 degree is equivalent to what? 1 degree, if we have to convert 1 degree into radians, then that is equivalent to pi divided by 180 radians. Okay, we will use this formula. Okay, now keep the value of 1 degree, that is pi divided by 180, and angle will be converted into radians, and that is 131 divided by 360 pi radians. That will be nothing but 131 divided by 360 pi radians. In this way, if angle is given in degree and minute, then first you have to convert that minute into degree, and then we have to convert that degree angle into radians. Means here few steps we have to do. You do these 2 steps, or directly from this formula you keep the value of 30 degree means half minute. Okay. To more illustrate this concept, again see one of the examples. Suppose 75 degree 30 minutes is given. Then again this 75 degree can be written as 75 degree plus 30 minute. And see what is this? 30 minutes is nothing but half. Here we have done the calculation. 30 minutes means half degree. You write down half. Then you combine this in the bracket. This is nothing but like this. Okay. Then take the LCM. This is 151 divided by 2 degree. 151 divided by 2 degree. Again this can be written as 151 into 1 times, and keep the value of 1 degree, that is pi divided by 180 radians. We have to convert angle into radians. Therefore, this 1 degree can be written as pi divided by 180 radians. Keep pi divided by 180, then angle will be get converted radians. And what is this? After simplification, this is nothing but 151 divided by 360 pi radians. In this way, if whole number is given, that is whole number is given in degree, then you convert that angle into radians. If angle is given in degree and minute like this, then again in this way you can able to convert angles into radians. Okay, in this way, in the first problem we have seen how to convert degree angles into radians. Now we will see some problems how to convert radian angles into degree. Okay, see our basic formula. Pi radians is equivalent to 180 degree. From this, if I divide throughout by pi, this equation, if I divide throughout this equation by pi, then I will get 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi. Okay, now we will use this formula. Now we will use this formula to convert radian measure into degree measure. Now let's see the problem. First problem, 7 pi by 12 radians. We have to convert this radian angle into degree. Now again we know that in the multiplication of any number you can write 1. Okay, then this is nothing but 7 pi by 12 times 1 radian. Okay, now keep the value of 1 radian. What is the value of 1 radian? That is 180 divided by pi degree. Okay, now this pi will get cancelled and do the simplification. After simplification, this is nothing but the angle of 105 degree. Okay, after simplification, this is the angle of 105 degree. Now see the next problem. Suppose angle is minus 5 by 3 radians. Minus 5 by 3 radians. Keep the minus sign as it is. This is nothing but 5 pi by 3 times 1 radian. Okay. Now keep the value of 1 radian. Value of 1 radian is what? 180 divided by pi degree. 180 divided by pi. And angle will be get converted into degree. Okay, then do the calculation. After simplification, this is nothing but the angle of 300 degree. In this way, it is very simple to convert the degree angle into radian or radian angle is degree. If angle is in degree and if you have to convert that into radians, then we have to multiply that angle by pi by divided by 180 radians. And if your angle is in radians, then you multiply that angle by 180 by pi. Then angle will be get converted into radians. See more examples. Consider the example. Suppose 11 pi by 18 radians is given. Value of 1 radians I will keep 180 divided by pi. Value of 1 radian I will keep 180 divided by pi, and do the simplification. This will get cancelled, pi will get cancelled. This is nothing but 110 degree. Okay, let's see one of the example. Suppose only 5 radians is given. See the next example, only 5 radians is given. This can be written as 5 times 1 radians. Again keep the value of 1 radians, that is 180 divided by pi degree. 1 radians is equal to 180 divided by pi, and after simplification this is nothing but 900 divided by pi degree. Means 5 radians is equivalent to 900 divided by pi degree. This is our basic formula. Pi radians is equal to 180 degree. If we have to convert the degree angle into radians, then you have to multiply that angle by pi by 180. And if you have to convert the radian angle into degree, then you have to multiply that angle by 180 by pi. Means we have to remember all these three formulae. Okay. In this way, in today's lecture, we have seen how to convert degree angle into radians and radians angle into degree. Okay students, see you in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.